Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Its.Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Its.Tweetie.
Hey smoothie lovers, welcome back to Its.Tweetie, where we blend with purpose, sip with intention, and glow from the inside out. Today, I'm sharing a super simple and delicious smoothie that's perfect for kids and anyone who loves a creamy, comforting treat. This is my Vanilla Yogurt Smoothie. Creamy, smooth, and just the right amount of sweet. To make this, you need half a banana for natural sweetness and creaminess, half a cup of vanilla yogurt to keep it rich and smooth, half a cup of milk to blend it all together, and some ice to make it refreshingly cool. Blend it up until it's frothy and smooth. You'll see how quickly it comes together into this beautiful creamy drink. This smoothie tastes just like vanilla ice cream, but with the goodness of yogurt and real fruit. It's a great snack or quick breakfast option, especially for kids who love sweet, simple flavors. Plus, it's only about 180 calories, so it's a light and satisfying treat. Give this vanilla yogurt smoothie a try and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy and tasty smoothie recipes. Cheers to healthy, happy sipping.
I got you. Yes.